So far away from my house. On such a sunny day, the best thing to do in London is to go for a walk. And today we are going for walks from Streatham Hill to Wimbledon Park. Most of this walk will go through leafy, interesting residential streets, covering Wandsworth Common and Tooting Bec. Today we will see the most elegant apartment block in South London. The odd look like mosque building and the prison box. There will be toilets, cafes and pubs on the way. The walk will be 9 kilometers long and will take about 3 hours to complete it. If you want to do this walk by yourself, it's very easy. I left all useful links in the description below. I publish new videos about London every Friday. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment what you would like to see in my next video. And now let's start and find first signs for Capital Ring route. Here I am at the start of a 9-kilometer walk from Estreham Common to Wimbledon Park, featuring 3 parks and some nice quiet residential streets. Follow Estreham Road until you pass footbridge on your left over railway. And now we go to see the odd building. If at any point you're not sure where to go, look out for London Capital Ring walk signs. They will navigate the direction. This Thames water pumping station, built in 1892, looks like a mosque. We are at Tooting Bec, where is located one of the largest swimming pools in Europe, Tooting Bec Lido. And from here, Tooting Bec is 2 miles to Wandsworth Common, our next point of interest. A vibe here. Many people playing sports, sunbathing, gathering with friends. I like it. Art Deco exteriors of this Duquesne court hides some of the most elegant apartment blocks in South London. This Art Deco style was built in 1930s, hundreds of years ago, and some of the British celebrities and TV shows were filmed here and celebrities were living here. What Art Deco differentiates from other architecture style is large windows, that's what I know, and also Art Deco was built mostly in the 30s of 20th century, so 100 years ago. We're halfway through and Wandsworth Common, and only 3 miles left of Wimbledon Park. If it's sunny day in London and summer or on any other time of the year, go outside for a walk, cycling, run, anything. Just go outside and get some vitamin D. And now we approach extremely high walls of Wandsworth Prison. The Wandle is the fastest flowing river in London area, with a drop over 200 feet within 10 miles. It powered many mills and gives the name to one of the London boroughs, Wandsworth. Yo! Coming to the London borough of Merton, all the way from Hackney. I cycled a lot and I love it. And that's one of my favorite things to do. This little white mosque was built 50 years ago in 1970s, and we almost finished our walk. I'll see you in Wimbledon Park. Here next to Wimbledon Park station we finished our walk. I almost covered all the section of Capital Ring walks. There are only 4 left and I'll do it very shortly. I publish video every Friday. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment what you would like to see in my next video. I hope I inspired you to go for a walk in London. If it's not a walk, just go outside and explore the city, get some vitamin D. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!